Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and reliability? Take a look at this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4x4 in granite crystal metallic. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch gray aluminum wheels, power heated multi-function mirrors with manual fold-away, body color fascia with bright inserts, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7-inch LCD instrument cluster with tachometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, dual zone automatic temp control, sport mode, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, ParkSense rear park assist with stop, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3188A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.